Hey guys, I hope that you are enjoying your week. So, this week, our News to You article talks about a man who created an invention to keep our oceans clean. So, I thought that it would be a great idea to read about some of the animals in our ocean. So, the title of our story is Our Animal World Ocean Animals, and it was by Emily C. Dawson, and she is the author. Many animals live in the ocean. Their body parts help them move. So let's take a look at this picture. What animals do you see? I see a shark, some dolphins, I see lots of fish, and I see some plants under the ocean. We're going to turn the page and continue to read. Fish swim in the ocean. They use their front fins to turn, and this is the fin on a fish. Sharks swim in the ocean. They use their dorsal fins to balance. So this is a shark's dorsal fin. So sharks and fish use their fins to help them swim in the ocean. Sea turtles swim in the ocean. They use their front flippers to move around. Here's a sea turtle's flipper. Dolphins swim in the ocean. They use their front flippers to turn and stop. So this is a dolphin's flipper. So dolphins and sea turtles use flippers. Whales swim in the ocean. They use their tails to jump into the air. And this is a whale's tail right here. Octopuses live in the ocean. They use their tentacles to crawl on the ocean floor. And these are their tentacles. Penguins swim in the ocean. They flap their flippers to swim. They use their webbed feet to help them steer. So we talked about penguins briefly while we were in school. And so this is a penguin's flipper, and this is their webbed feet. And so these are pictures of all of the body parts that the animals in our stories used. So this is a dorsal fin, a tail, tentacle, webbed feet, flipper, and fin. So now what we're going to do, we're going to answer some questions about our text. So remember, the title of our story was Our Animal World, Ocean Animals, and it was written by Emily C. Dawson. So she's the author. All right, so what is the setting? And the setting is where the story took place. Was it at the amusement park, the farm, or the ocean? I want you to take a second to think about it. What do we read about? Where do all of those animals live? So now I'm going to take my writing tool and I'm going to circle the correct answer. So what is the setting? Amusement park, farm, or ocean? All of the animals in our story live in the ocean, so I'm going to circle ocean. All right. Which animals live in the ocean? Dog, dolphins, pig, or sea turtles? So before you think about this answer, let's look at the question again. It says, which animals? So that means that we have more than one answer. Which animals live in the ocean? A dog, dolphins, pigs, or sea turtles? What do you think? Dolphins definitely live in the ocean. What other animals live in the ocean? A pig? No. Sea turtles, very good. So dolphins and sea turtles live in the ocean. What do ocean animals use to help them move? Do they use their body parts or do they use bicycles? What do they use to help them move? Ocean animals use their body parts. Very good. So now what we're going to do, we're going to fill out this chart. So here I have different animal body parts at the top going horizontally. Remember we talked about graphs? And then here on the side, I have my different ocean animals going vertically, up and down, and these are going horizontally, side to side. So what we're going to do, we're going to place an X in all of the boxes that these ocean animals have. So we have fins, flippers, tentacles, and webbed feet. So our first animal is a fish. Now, what do fish have? Which of these do fish have? Fish have fins. Very good. So I'm going to put an X in that box. So I want you to use your writing tool to do the same. All right. Our next one, sharks. What do sharks have? Do they have fins, flippers, tentacles, or webbed feet? I'm not sure. I really can't remember. So I'm going to go back to my story to help me find the answer. So we're going to back it on up to find sharks. Here it is. Sharks swim in the ocean. They use their dorsal fins to balance. So, sharks use fins to balance. What do they use? Fins. Good job. Next, we have a turtle. What do turtles, use to help them swim in the ocean? What do you think? Fins, flippers, tentacles, or webbed feet? Turtles use flippers. So we're going to put an X in this box. You want to make sure that where you're putting your X is in the same row as the animal you're working on, but it's also in the same box as what you think the correct answer is. It's a little tricky, but I know you can do it. Our next animal is a dolphin. What do dolphins use? Let's go back to the text to make sure our answer is correct. We have to find dolphins. Here they are. Dolphins swim in the ocean. They use their front flippers to turn and stop. So that means dolphins use flippers too. What about whales? What do whales use? Let's go back to our story to check our answer. Whales swim in the ocean. They use their tails to jump into the air. So if I'm looking at my chart, I don't see a tail, so will I put an X? Nope. We're going to move on to the next animal. What about octopus? What does an octopus use? Fins, flippers, tentacles, or webbed feet? Octopuses use tentacles, so I'm going to draw an X here. We have one more. Penguins. What do penguins use? Let's go back and look at our story. So penguins use their flippers and webbed feet to help them steer. So we're going to check off 2 boxes. We're going to check off flippers and webbed feet. Awesome job, guys. So we read about ocean animals. And that is the end of our story. Bye, guys.